Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In 6 months, use these 5 tips to help you make the biggest comeback of your life. 1. Establish reachable goals. Define what you want in the upcoming 6 months. Divide your long-term objectives into more attainable, smaller activities. Make sure your objectives are achievable and specific. 2. Stay away from girls. Most important thing is stay away from girls, don't listen. Girls' advice: if your girlfriend forced to stop you for something doing quickly, get a breakup from her. 3. Establish a morning schedule. Establish a productive morning with daily routine that for you success. Exercise, such as jogging or weightlifting. Knowledge through reading, listening to podcasts, or taking online courses. 4. Put focus and self-care. First, maintaining your mental, emotional, and physical well-being is essential to a successful recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Drink plenty of water and do things that make you happy and calm you down. 5. Be in the company of positive people. Spend time with folks positive mans. Avoid clear of poisonous connections or bad relations. 6. Act regularly and monitor your progress. It takes constant work and advancement to make a comeback. Be sure to make a plan and follow it. Monitor your development and acknowledge minor victories. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe for another video.